Your Pixel Watch can do way more than you think it can. And in 2026, it's straight up wild.
Yo, what's up, tech fam? Before we jump into this one, hit that subscribe button right now, because today I'm going to show you 7 Pixel Watch features that will blow your mind. Stuff your watch already does, but you've probably never used. And trust me, once you know these, you'll never look at your wrist the same way again. Let's go. So, everyone knows the Pixel Watch looks clean, that smooth glass dome, the minimal vibe, that signature Google touch. But what most people don't realize is that this little circle of tech is basically your own personal assistant, trainer, and low-key psychic, all packed into your wrist. See, most users are only using like 20% of what this watch can actually do. The rest? Hidden gems waiting to flex? So let's talk about the 7 features that make the Pixel Watch not just a smartwatch, but a mind-reading machine. Alright, first up, ambient awareness. This one's wild because it's so subtle most people never even notice it. The Pixel Watch can literally sense your environment. When you're in a loud space, it boosts vibrations and sound. When you're in a quiet room, it softens notifications automatically. It reads your world and adjusts. No taps, no settings, just smooth adaptation. It's like your watch has its own mood detector for the vibe around you. And honestly, that's classic Google, the kind of invisible tech that makes everything feel natural. It's not flashy, but when you realize it's happening, it feels almost magical. Second, adaptive battery scheduling. This one's next level. Your Pixel Watch actually studies your daily routine when you work, when you crash, when you hit the gym, and then rearranges how it uses power so your battery lasts longer without you doing anything. So instead of dying halfway through the day, it conserves energy when it knows you're chilling and ramps up when you're active. By 2026, rumor says Google's planning to upgrade to graphene microcells, which could double that battery life while keeping the same slim design. That means 2 full days on one charge, bro. No more battery panic mid-workout or halfway through a trip. Now the third one, this one hits deep. Sleep stage mapping. If you wear your watch overnight, it's not just tracking your sleep, it's analyzing your mind. It can detect stress patterns, anxiety spikes, even emotional fatigue based on heart rate variability and movement. If it senses burnout, it'll subtly nudge you with a notification like, hey, take a break, or try a short walk. It's like your own emotional mirror sitting quietly on your wrist. And by 2026, Google's stepping this up with E-level sensors that track brainwave activity. We're talking early stress detection, creativity tracking, maybe even emotion forecasting. The future version of this? Your watch might tell you when you're about to get overwhelmed before it even happens. Crazy, right? Alright, number 4. This one's straight sci-fi, gesture control mode. Most users never enable it because it's hidden under developer settings. But once you do, bro, you're living in the future. Twist your wrist, lights dim, double flick, music pauses. Spin once, your thermostat drops a few degrees. It's using Google's Soli radar chip to detect microgestures, which means your watch can literally read your hand movements through air. And in 2026, word is Google's working on eye-tracking gesture sync, where you'll be able to control your smart home with just a glance. Imagine looking at your blinds and thinking, close, and boom, they shut. That's not a dream. That's what's coming. 5th feature, one of the most slept on but most powerful, Silent SOS. This thing could legit save lives. You can press your wrist in a pattern, and the watch silently sends your GPS location, heart rate, and a short audio clip to your emergency contact without lighting up or making a sound. It's stealth safety and future updates. They're testing satellite backup, so even if you're off-grid, the watch can still call for help. That's not just smart, that's survival-level innovation. Halfway through, so real quick, if you're vibing with this breakdown so far, hit subscribe right now. This channel is where we go beyond specs and numbers. We talk about the future hiding inside your tech. Alright, let's keep rolling. Number 6, privacy shadow mode. Basically, your watch becomes a ninja. It detects when sketchy apps or trackers try to access your data, and it sends them fake info. Random GPS coordinates, false health stats, dummy sleep data. Advertisers get noise, you stay invisible. It's like digital camouflage for your life. And by 2026, this is going AI-driven. Your watch will generate fake human behavior so tracking algorithms can build a profile on you. Privacy won't just be protection, it'll be an offense. You'll be untraceable in style. And last, number 7, the adaptive persona engine. Yeah, this one's wild. Your Pixel Watch learns your tone, your daily rhythm, how you talk to people, when you're free, and how you respond to stuff. Over time, it builds a digital version of you that can handle small tasks automatically. Someone texts while you're sleeping? It replies how you would, missed a reminder? It reschedules for a time it knows you'll actually do it. It's spooky, but also brilliant. And Google's reportedly expanding this into Project Echo by 2026. Your voice, your tone, your thinking style, all digitized into an AI twin that acts on your behalf. You and your assistant will literally be the same person. So yeah, these aren't just features, they're stepping stones to a new kind of life. Right now, the Pixel Watch is already learning about your habits, moods, and reactions. But soon, it'll go beyond tracking, it'll start anticipating. Think about it. You walk into your house after a long day, and your Pixel Watch automatically syncs with your smart lights, dims them down, plays your chill playlist, and silences non-essential notifications. You didn't even say a word, it just knew. That's where we're headed. By 2026, expect body heat charging, holographic projection interfaces, and AI that predicts your needs before you do. The Pixel Watch won't just assist you, it'll understand you. And that's the real flex. Apple, Samsung, Fitbit, they're all chasing sensors and specs, but Google, they're building intuition, a watch that doesn't just respond, it connects. So yeah, if you've only been checking time and steps, you've been sleeping on this thing, the Pixel Watch is way deeper than a fitness tracker. It's a companion that knows your rhythms, reads your stress, guards your privacy, and soon may even speak for you. And that's just the beginning. So tell me in the comments, which feature blew your mind the most? The emotion mapping? The silent SOS? Or that AI clone idea that's just straight up cyberpunk? Hit that like button if this gave you chills, and make sure to subscribe for more next-gen tech breakdowns every single week. Because we're not just watching the future, we're wearing it. This is the new era of smart living, and your wrist? It's just getting started.